Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we have a couple of awesome watch faces that we got to check out. We got Broda back in the building. And the reason Broda is back in the building is because he let it be known that there are a few watch faces that are free in the Gear Manager store that's worthy of a download. And there are some that have been marked down to almost 50% off, people. So if you were looking for some Broda product, you need to go check it out today. So we picked out a couple of watch faces that we thought stood out that I needed to have on my wrist because it looked super awesome. And this watch face fit the bill. Now, this guy is kind of like in a league all of his own, because when he creates a watch face, you know it's by Broda. MD's the same way, PW, DW, ACD, and a host of other developers that when they create a watch face, you know they have put their mark and their stamp on it. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's review the watch face and check it out. Now, the one I got in front of me is called Broda Wolfpack. Very nice, very unique watch face. This guy is taking uniqueness to an all-time high. This watch face looks beautiful. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gears 3. The Gears 2 is going to look slightly different. I really like the look of the Gears 3 in the AOD mode. And with that, people, let's take a look at the watch face when it is on. Now, if you look at it, the design is nice. The layout is nice. You see the uniqueness in the watch face. This one you have not saw anywhere else, people. Now, what you're going to get is at the top, you will get your day and your date. You come down, you're going to get your steps. I haven't been anywhere yet. I'm on my way. And down at the bottom, you're going to get your heart rate. And the watch face is interactive, so if you need to go into your music, a single tap will take you there. Same thing for your calories burned, your stress, your steps. Also, you get information on floors climb. You get all those things you're looking for in your step status. Now, here at the top, I love the uniqueness, and I like the way the moon phase stands out because it looks real. A lot of developers are doing that. I wish a lot of them do it a little bit more. I love that one. And you get a unique way to tell time. You got your hour, you got your minute. Now, if you look around where the minute is, you can see a second hand going around that, and I thought that was the most unique thing I've saw in a little bit, right? Now, this meter here is going to represent your step goal completed. So if you set your step goal, like I set mine normally to 20,000, then it's going to let you know exactly where you are with completing that goal. And you're also going to get your battery percentage over here. And you got a wolf dead center, a symbol of what the name of the watch face is. Yes, people, I'm getting detailed with it because I thought my man put his feet deep off into this watch face. Now, let's take a look at the interactiveness to the watch face. So if I tap here, I can get my alarm. If I tap here, I can go into and check my heart rate. Same thing with the date. It'll pull up my calendar. If I need to set an event, I can set an event. But let's get to the beauty of this watch face. Now, if you want to customize it, and we're talking about the theme and the color, you can do so by tapping right here on the side. And once you get to the color you like, now once it changes it here, it also changes it over here, which gives it a really nice look. I really like the background that I got it set to over here. But if I tap dead center, I can change that. That's a nice color as well. And you can mix and match however you see fit. I'm loving this one, people. You got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know, is this a download or are you going to leave it right where it's at? Me personally, I'm telling you, this is worthy of a download. In video number 2, and number 2 is just as bad as number 1, people. I'm glad you watched the video all the way through because I did not want you to miss out on these freebies. And yes, this one is free in the Gear Manager store as well. Make sure you go download ASAP. Now, the name of the watch face is called Broda Chronicle. My man outdid himself with this one too. This one is, I would say, a dress-up watch face and a dress-down watch face. Everything about this watch face, in my opinion, screams premium. Now, in AOD mode, you're also going to get a nice look, at least for the Gears 3, that is. And it's going to pretty much look like the watch face when it's on. Not a bad deal at all. Now, when it's on, look at the design in the background. I'm loving the theme. Really makes this watch face pop. I like the color that's going around the index as well. The hands scream premium. This is not a bad look. So what you're going to get is up at the top, you will get your date. Right up under it, you are going to get Broda's name. Broda Chronicle. And then down here in your dials, what you're going to get is the day of the week. You're also going to be able to get your battery info and your step goal completed. This is a nice look. As you can see, the dials are different colors. I thought that was really, really nice. Makes the watch face stand out as well. But if I tap down here, it is inactive. I can go get my music player. If I tap on each one of the dials, I can go in and, of course, make a phone call, check my text messages. Here, I can check my battery. And on this one, I can go into my step status, and here it should pull up my alarm. And so I'm liking the look of this watch face. I like what the watch face has to offer, especially considering that it is free and single tap, and you can change the theme of this watch face. I'm telling you, Broda really, really outdid himself with this one. Look at this one. This one here. Now, the dials are bright. You have to see this for yourself in person, but it looks beautiful. Now, it changes the theme as you go through to the different colors, and they're all nice, people. They are all nice. That's a black one. Now, when was the last time you seen an awesome brown watch face? This one is beautiful. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, because I think my man outdid himself. All right, you all, that's going to be it. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you share this with other people as well. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.